Welcome back, everyone. So today we will be using the three-part KBS coating tank sealant kit. Three-part. We got the KBS cleaning all-purpose cleaner degreaser. We got the rust blast, and then we got the sealant, gold tank sealer right there. So it says KBS cleans one, then blasts, then seal. So it's fairly easy. So we'll go ahead and get this. Go show you guys what the inside tank looks like. It was full of horrific acid earlier, or yesterday, or mercury acid, same thing. And it's just surface rusting. I got all the hard rust out of it, so it's coming out pretty good. I think we're gonna have a nice tank here. So we'll go ahead and fill this up. I'd like to apologize to KBS Coating. I am a little behind on this video. They sent me this last September, so just a little behind. So we'll go ahead and fill this tank up. Hopefully I don't spill on me. Okay. I need to go get a see how that's doing. No, that's just a degreaser. So all that's gonna do is get all the grease and grime out. And then but I gotta go get the gas cap, so I'll be right back. Okay, got the gas cap right here. I'll go ahead and seal that. And I'm just gonna shake this around like that. Shake it around. Continue to shake it around. Shake it around. Shake it around. Shake it around. Now what's it say? Okay, so that's all. Okay, now I'm gonna use it. Let it dump that container out. Gonna show you. So I don't know if it'll be that dirty, but we'll see. So here we go. Wow, look at that. Yuck. Let me get the gas cap. Yuck. It's leaking. Thought that didn't have a hole in it. Okay, now we'll go ahead and get the rust blast. When I get the rust blast, which I'm pretty sure you could skip this step, like if you just wanted to, because if you have horrific acid, which if you're working around metal and stuff, you probably do already, you could probably just get the tank sealant, because you probably already have the greaser. I mean, I got super clean, but we're gonna go ahead and fill this up, this rust blast. use a lot because I got other tanks I gotta use this stuff for, so I'm not just going hog wild and using it all in this tank. But now we'll just go ahead and see how fast that works. Well, I'm just gonna use the full gallon. And then I'll just dump it back in here. That somewhat smells like horrific acid. That's probably what all it is. I'd have to check with KBS Coding to get exactly what it is. Okay. Here that is right there. But like I was saying, I don't know. Okay, so if you're not wearing gloves like me, I should have probably been wearing gloves. You don't wash your hands as soon as possible, and you don't want to breathe this stuff in. It's not that great to breathe in. So we'll go ahead and turn this fan on to get some air moving in here. So, I'd probably recommend some safety glasses too. Seems like I wear safety glasses when I don't need or wear safety stuff when I don't need to, and then when I need to, I don't. It's weird like that. I need to figure it out. Okay, I don't know how long this is supposed to be in there. I'm just in the back there. Yeah, so I'm trying to see. It doesn't really seem to be removing the rust. We're gonna flip it on its side like that. I'm gonna go ahead and get the tank sealer. Let's go ahead and shake it up. It's been set up there for a year, so I got a paint shake. It's just I'm cleaning it up right now, and I gotta get a new air fitting for it. But that'd be really nice right now. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go wash up my hands, and I think I'm gonna let that sit like that for a while, and then I'll check it. So. But, I mean, I don't know, I did exactly how it says. It's not a horrific acid, which that may be what that is, but it must be watered down because it's not really horrific acid or mercury acid. When you put it in there, it immediately starts working. And if there's a lot of rust, you'll see it start bubbling and stuff. It'll do a whole bunch of stuff. And that tank was spotless last night, so if this don't work, I'm probably just going to do that again and then seal it. I've already horrific acid washed it twice to get it really good, and now it's just a surface rust, so to make it nice, I'll probably do that. But alright, well, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I'll catch you guys on part 2 of working on this FL250 gas tank situation. This is a different tank. This isn't my tank. If you're not aware, I found a good tank on eBay. I bought it for 50 bucks. I am still going to fix my tank, but this tank's a lot easier to get going. So, and I think I'm going to just go CDI on my Odyssey. I'm done with the points. It's been such a headache. I think once I find a good flywheel, I'm just going to buy the whole system. It's simpler. I can run a light bar. Don't have that 6-volt crap. So that's what I'm going to do. Catch you on the next one. Thanks.